And as long as everything is set up the way that you want to, then you go back into OBS and then you hit start streaming. And when that happens, you'll keep a eye on this up here where it says offline. And then once your stream starts going through, it's going to say starting. And then right now it is telling me that I am live. So one thing you can do is you can test your audio sync right here on this, or you can also test your audio sync by actually opening up your channel page and going to the specific URL of your stream, which would be whatever your channel is /live. Then once your stream is over, all you have to do is go back into OBS and you hit stop streaming. And then from there, YouTube will close everything else down and then you are taken care of and your first stream is complete. This video is part of a playlist.
Hello. Hello. So yeah, this year is my first ever live stream. Just trying it out. And of course, telling everyone here in my Discord. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't have a secondary camera right now, or screen. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. If you could see that. So I want to show you guys something. So if you're here in my stream, I want to ask you something real quick. Do you have muck? Just wanna... yeah, I think I do. I think I do remember you. I mean, I've been noticed by a lot of people in there at the moment. But yeah, I kinda feel like I do remember you. So I'm not gonna play Gorilla Tag because I don't have my PC set up for that at the moment, but oh yeah. Yeah, I probably did that. But yeah, there's this free game here called Muck, which I also have mods for. I'm not sure if I should like do some gameplay with you guys or with you. It's only you at the moment, I think. No, there's another one. Cool. I'm not sure if I should. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should like play with or without Max, if we wanna show each other's mods or if we just wanna do normal gameplay. So I'm gonna ask you guys, what do you think? Just like normal gameplay of Muck, or mod showcase and mod gameplay? I mean, I kind of get that as well. I don't think it's that fun alone. I really need a secondary screen. Oh wait, can I do something so I can... Oh yeah, I can. Right. Okay, that's cool. Hi. Okay, yeah. See ya. So, yeah. First live stream. Pretty good. So, if I think you're on my Discord, you guys. So, you might have seen this link here to the modding Discord for Muck. I'm gonna have to pop this out to see if you respond. So I kind of wanted to ask you guys if you wanna play, if we should like try and play some Muck together, and if it should be a modded version or just normal game, or if I should show how I mod games. I could do that as well, since we kind of need some tutorials on how to mod Unity games. You know what, I think I'm gonna do a kind of tutorial style. Oh, okay. Yeah, but I might do some tutorial style gameplay-ish. I don't know. At least that's what I'm gonna start out with. If anyone of you 3 people here wanna see or do something different, then I can try and do that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna start out by doing like how you mod Muck, or Gorilla Tag for that reason. I mean, Gorilla Tag modding of what I can do is only on PC right now, and it requires you to have, let me see if I can find it. Okay. Yeah, it requires you to have Bebinex installed for you to mod Gorilla Tag, and that's the exact same thing with Muck, because they are both running on Unity, which is pretty easy to make mods for. So yeah, I'm just gonna start. So first we want a Visual Studio file here. So this is just like a test thing I did. So we wanna create a new file here for our mods to run on, and we're gonna choose the one called class library.NET framework, and you can search on it up here as well. So class library, yeah, and then it's gonna show up. I'm not sure how, but like if it doesn't show up, you can install it some way, but I didn't have to do that, so I'm not sure how you do that. So we're just gonna call this one fly. Yeah, we're gonna make a fly mod for Muck. So yeah, we have, can I can't. Well, oh wait, I can do this here. Now I can see all of you, hopefully. yeah. So we want to start out like this here, where we get some libraries that are already in the game. Like you find them inside of the game mug. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. There. So you can find them inside the files here, browse local files. You're gonna go into mug data managed, and you're gonna get assembly. You're gonna get Unity, accessibility module, I think, and Unity engine.dll. They're all in here, so let's just see if I can find them in here. Add reference, browse, and I could. So we want this one, the game. Inside the game folder we want the assembly C#, and Unity, Unity engine and core module. And for it to run with BepNex, we want the BepNex DLL as well, which is inside of the BepNex folder. So I'm just gonna choose them and add them. We can always add more references in here if we need them, but I think this is fine. Only one guy watching. Oh no. So yeah, we can do public void update, because who doesn't love an update function? And just to make it a bit fixed update, there. So we can debug that log. Wait, what? Wait, I'm not sure if I have the right game DLL. Mob. Okay, I have. Okay. But no debug. That's weird. Okay. Then we're just gonna do, let's say, no wait, I have something I wanna do. Did I just, no, okay. Public void on UI. So we can do if UI, no, UI, but it's just weird. I'm not used to writing my mods inside of here. Oh wait, if no, GUI. Bruh. That is... Okay, I'm just gonna do it the way I'm used to doing it, which is with enspy. So this here is not as good for Gorilla Tag, but it works in here pretty good because it's almost everything in here is client-sided. So let's say we wanted more speed, we can find player, that's not the right one, player movement, and we can go up here, edit method, and we can do public void on UI. You do if UI that button. This shows just to identify what kind of button it's used for. So we can do the size here, which is 0, 0, 100, and let's say 50. And then what it's supposed to say, so speed up. Of course we need these here. And we can close it all up. So if we go down here, we can do max run speed is equals to 60. Float, just because, yeah. And we can even turn the speed down again. So we can do if GY so we want to position this here at another position on our screen so they don't overlap. So we can see our X position and our Y position. So let's just say 200 here and up here 200 as well and 50. So what we can do now is close it all off and give it a name. Speed normal. And we can do our max run speed is now equal to the 13 float as it normally is. And we can save that. And we can save that. And now if I run it, it should just work, because that's how good I am. I mean, there's a lot of errors in making code, but as you can see here, all my buttons work. So let's say speed normal real quick. It's the normal speed because it's speed normal. And if we do speed up, it's a faster speed. So that's pretty sick. That's basically how you make a mod menu. And did I just... No, I didn't. Okay. I thought I deleted all the mobs in here. Yeah, it came back. Okay, it came back. Okay. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna showcase some stuff I have. So like, basically infinite damage, 10,000 or 100,000 damage. I can break every tree, every rock with my starter rock. I can even deal 100,000 damage to other players. And also I have this here. So now I have a lightning ball. Now I have 500 coins, and I can do that with these as well. Lightning ball, 500 coins and 500 coins. So that's pretty sick as well, if you ask me. Hi. Oh, it's Unique. Cool. But yeah, this is just some of the more basic stuff I've made. And of course the mob delete mob button here is made by Nick. This fella right here. But yeah, as I talked about, basically infinite damage to everything. Trees, other trees, rocks, and enemies and players. And the speed boost, which I just created GUI for up here. Then I have heal max, which basically just gives me all my health again. It's pretty simple. It's the same as where is it? Yeah, right here. It's basically the same as on GUI right here, but instead of doing it like this, that max run speed equals to the speed, I did HP. I can't do it right here. Let me find it real quick. I just did HP is equals to max HP, and as you can see with a handle damage, it says when it's equals or lower than 0, it's gonna go to max HP, as you just saw or might have seen. So that's pretty sick. I can't die. And of course I can just go back in here and heal. So yeah, we've seen the basically infinite money. And we've seen my speed and jump. So let's see some mobs. Or bosses, I suppose. And you can see in the log when I spawn things as well. I've made sure to color it in red so it's easier to see. But basically what I just did was spawn every mob, or basically interact with every mob totem or boss totem there is on the map. So you can see there's another boss right there and right there and right there. They're all coming towards me. So of course I can still one-hit kill them because of my damage mod. But the true treasure in modding lies in what my friend here, nickname, made. And that is the delete mob, which only works if you're a host, because that's how servers work. So if we press it, they're all gone. And so are the boss totems, because I just spawned all of them and I'm still not sure if they respawn. So that's kind of interesting, I guess. But yeah, mobs are still gonna respawn. You're still gonna see cows after a while spawning, and we can find a totem right here and spawn some mobs. So right there. But if you're really mean and kind of annoying, I think, you can delete mobs and you're never gonna finish this one. It's just gonna stay alive. So that, yeah. Power of modding. But of course some of this might create errors in the or the delete mob might create some errors, but it doesn't really affect the game. So yeah, that's basically how you mod Muck with the power of DN Spy. Yeah, if you wait, how many is in here? Wow, we're growing. 5 people. Yeah, but like, if you have mod, or if you have Muck and you wanna mod it, or at least want help to modding it, I sent a link to the Modding Discord, where you can get help and look at memes. So yeah, the link should be inside of my announcements. Yeah, it is, right here. Ready for y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna ask again, is there something you wanna see me do or wanna play with me? Because I can't really think of anything other than Mark right now. Mostly because I haven't set up my VR streaming thingy. Oh yeah, and by the way, hi to you, Villian Duke. I was planning on making a video today, but couldn't really figure or think of anything I wanted to record, since it's, how hot is it? 25 degrees Celsius in my room. And that's kind of hard to play VR in, especially Gorilla Tag, where you move a lot. You like my microphone? Pretty neat. Bro, I should, if I get better at game development, I could do streams about that. Wait, I can just do trying to make a game in Unity. There we go. Now it's all about game development. So we want to open up Unity Hub because the stream is all the way new and you guys have just joined. Waiting time. Woo. Should find some lo-fi or something. Lo-fi is free, right? Does lo-fi have Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you guys, I am listening to, bro, I can't listen to these guys because of, I'm scared. I'm good at spelling. Oh wait. Right, I'm back. So, how many are we in here? 3 still. Well, no, I'm not gonna do ASMR. I hope it was muted. It's a mute button and it was blinking, so wait, I can just check right here. So I'm talking. Yep, it most definitely works. Yeah, I'm just gonna play this one here, like the top results for lo-fi, you know, to play. Our Spotify is all the way up, and we can just like do some editing, or this might be fine. I'm not sure. So game development, bean, you know, bean. We want a ground. We're just gonna do cube, and we're gonna reset it, of course. 50 and 50. Big play space. There. So I had some problems last time because I started out by making a rigid body to control my player, and that did not go as well as I wanted it to, so I tried out a character controller. No, I started out with the character controller and I did not know what I was doing at all, so I tried a rigid body and I forgot everything about rigid bodies. So now I'm back with... Yeah, that's true, I'm scared. I'm scared. Turn it more down. We're not gonna be able to notice it. And if we don't notice it, YouTube's not gonna notice it. That's how it works. I hope. But yeah, basically, don't work. Find this one on Google and don't work. So I had an idea. I would just go in here, take the code I wrote myself while reading what they said or wrote, copy it and delete the file. Of course, delete it. And then we just go in here again and do character stroke. Okay, new script, come on. Oh, okay. Controller. That's gonna work. And it did. Impressive. Maybe. Damn, we're 4 in here. We're rising. So what I want to do is just like there. Please work. Kind of have a feeling it's not gonna work, but let's try it out. Doesn't work. Alright, we're gonna take that one then. It's probably super obvious what I've done wrong. But like the tutorial I found had no explanation at all. It was just like, here, copy this and it will work. Guaranteed, and it doesn't work. I'm just gonna make some materials then. Ground. Easy. Right. So if I put it up here. Nope, doesn't work. Bruh. Because while I'm thinking, I'm just gonna add some cubes. Round. So we can move this here around to like kind of be able to see if we somehow do manage to move there. Big block. Big block. There we go. Okay, so now we have a scene where we can actually do stuff, look at stuff and all that. Hello! So yeah. I mean, I already did that. My character controller is right here. And in here. I mean, last time I did a character controller, there were no question marks or colons. And I have no idea what they mean. And if I try and Google it once again, C#. What does question mark mean? It comes with 2 question marks. Oh wait, here's something. Oh. Well, okay then. Character controller. This here is irritating. I mean, I did it last time where I just like put it up to my bean here, set it on my bean, and he was like, yeah, cool, I can move now. Where I did like 2 scripts, one for movement on the bean and one for camera to look around and stuff like that, but yeah. Cubes are not in here, that is... Now they are. You know what? I think I might just end the stream here until I figure out how to stream gameplay or something like that that is more interesting, and thanks to you, Nick. So yeah, this here's my attempt at my first ever stream. Probably a bad time to try and do streaming because I had nothing to do at all. But yeah, thanks to all you guys who still wanted to watch, even if it was just for short periods of times. Thanks to y'all. Goodbye.